Welcome to the second grade open house. My name is Lindsay Motes and I am a second grade teacher here. This will be my 5th year teaching and my 2nd year at Hermitage.
Hi everyone, my name is Ashlyn Pierce. This is my 4th year teaching and my 2nd year at Hermitage Elementary.
And I'm Jenna Stahl, and this is my 7th year teaching and my 3rd year at Hermitage.
We are going to go over with you how to log on to Schoology for our virtual learning. So you will go to mnps.schoology.com. You will log in with the email and password provided by your teacher. So I'm going to share my screen with you and show you what that's going to look like when you go there. So when you type in mnps.schoology.com, it will pop up a login. You will enter your child's MNPS email address and password. If you don't have that password or it's not working, email your teacher and they can help you. When you log on, you will click Courses at the top. Here they are going to go to Homeroom. That's where all of our work is going to be stored. You can see on here my picture. You will see your teacher's picture there. You will click on that, and that is going to take you to all the content that you will need. So right here at the top, you can see it has Monday through Friday. All you have to do is click on the day of the week. So tomorrow, on Tuesday, your student will click on Tuesday. That is going to open up to anything that they will need for that day. So you can see here, it has Start Here Daily Schedule. That is going to tell them everything that needs to be done for that day. Next, we have our link to our live event. All they have to do is click right here. It's going to open their Teams meeting right from Schoology. There is one other way to get to Schoology, and you can do that through Clever. So for that, you would go to clever.com/in/MNPS. You will use the same username and password as Schoology. I'm going to show you on my screen what that will look like. For Clever Login, you will click on Login with Office 365. That is the email address that your student has. You'll enter in your email and the same password that you used for Schoology that you received from your teacher. When they log in, this is what they will see. There will be a page with lots of different icons that they can click on. We are going to look for the Schoology icon, and that is going to be an S. So here is Schoology. You can click on that, and that will automatically open you up logged in to Schoology. So from here, you would still click the courses, and you would click on your home room. And there you will see all of the content that your child will need for that day.
Alright, for the first week of school, we're going to be having live meetings from 8 to 9 o'clock. Students will complete any work they have through Schoology. The lessons will be SEL focused and include some read alouds and some math discussions. There is no school on Thursday, August 6th. Starting on August 17th, we'll be doing Florida Virtual School. In addition to the Florida Virtual School curriculum, teachers will be providing live lessons using the Teams meeting app. Students will complete the modules during independent work time through Schoology.
Okay, so for attendance, students will just need to log on to Schoology at some point during the day. It doesn't have to be necessarily during our live lessons. While those are strongly encouraged, they're not going to be counted absent if you're not logged in at the time that we're doing our live lessons. So this is what our schedule is going to look like once we get started into our actual curriculum. So from 8:15 to 9:15, we will do a whole group reading lesson that's going to be live. So you would just log into Schoology and join the teen meetings through a link that we will have on the page. From 9:30 to 10:15, we'll have our live math lesson. From 10:30 to 11:30 on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we'll have our live either social studies or science lesson. And during that time on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, that will be our office hours, so you can reach out to your child's teacher if you're having any issues or questions or concerns. Lunch and playtime will be from 11:30 to 12:45, so just a great time for a break for your child. And then from 12:45 to 1:15, that will be our related arts time, so music, art, and PE. And your child's teacher will get that schedule out to you so you know which day you'll have any of those related arts classes. And then from 1:15 to 2:45 will be our independent time, so doing the learning modules that we have on Schoology and things like that. And then we'll have brain breaks that'll be built in during our live lessons to get the kids up and moving. Other important information to know, all our classwork is going to be completed through Schoology, and the live lessons are going to happen through Microsoft Teams. And you can access the Teams link through Schoology. Those are important things to note.
All right, and any questions that you have, be sure to reach out to your child's teacher. We have email, we're checking that all the time. If you're in a remind, send a message there. We are here to help you any way that we can. Tomorrow, if you're having trouble logging on to Schoology, reach out to us. We can call you, we can get you logged on. If something happens and you are not logged on to the live lesson tomorrow, that is okay. We are going to be doing a read aloud, but we also have recorded that read aloud and have already posted it. So if something happens, don't worry, we're going to get you on. So we are here for you any way that you need, so be sure to reach out to us.